Why do our modern universities feel more like sterile corporate offices than centers of radical innovation? We are trapping the brightest minds of a generation in rigid lecture halls designed for bureaucratic compliance rather than human connection. It is time to tear down these barriers and rebuild spaces that prioritize emotional intelligence and real-world problem-solving over standardized quotas. Welcome to the Cinematic Podcast Treatise. The crisis of compliance architecture is real. Look at our lecture halls. They resemble call centers designed for passive data absorption. These spaces are optimized for efficiency, but at what cost to the human mind? We have traded active thought for bureaucratic throughput. The psychological toll is immense. Windowless classrooms trigger cortisol production, inhibiting neuroplasticity and creative risk-taking in our students. There is a direct link between this rigid spatial design and the global epidemic of graduate burnout and professional apathy we see in 2026. Breaking the corporate blueprint requires us to look at current data. Efficiency-first layouts prioritize university rankings over student breakthroughs. Genuine social innovation requires messy, tactile environments, spaces that allow for failure and iterative collaboration outside of sterile corporate silos. Traditional design creates invisible barriers, keeping students in disciplinary silos. We must dissolve these walls to foster cross-disciplinary synergy. This brings us to the mechanics of architectural empathy. We must introduce emotional ethical intelligence through spaces that adapt to human needs. Biophilic learning hubs are not just about adding plants, they are high-density, technology-integrated environments woven into the structural fabric. Case studies like The Spine in Liverpool demonstrate how buildings can act as living organisms, reducing stress and improving cognitive performance. Modular learning hubs encourage communal problem-solving. Data shows a measurable increase in collaborative success when architecture is fluid. When we shift from compliance seating to inquiry circles, we change the power dynamic. The building becomes a catalyst for social innovation. Physical comfort and aesthetic inspiration are prerequisites for tackling existential threats like climate change and global inequality. In the living laboratory, the building itself provides data. It is a sanctuary for radical thinking and ethical urban experimentation. Visualize a world where graduation is measured by social impact rather than bureaucratic quotas. This is the future of the human-centric campus. I challenge you to demand learning environments that value your humanity as much as your career marketability. Reclaim your physical space. The roadmap is clear. We must reconstruct higher education as a sanctuary for the radical thinking needed to survive the next decade. Join the vanguard. Explore these themes further in my latest books, available in Kindle and paperback. Let us build the future together. CTA Human.